Alright, I just made mini tornado probe. Spikes that go into the ground. So let me push them in. Okay, so as you can see, it's in there good. Now this leaf blower blows pretty fast, so I have this digital anemometer. So we'll see how fast it actually blows. So you guys right there. And set it on max. So watch this. Might be hard to see this, so I'm just gonna test it here. "78 miles an hour. So, as you can see, miles an hour right there. 78.38. So now, let's test out the probe. Oh, I see why it failed. One of the spikes bent out. Let me fix that. So I just didn't put it in the right way. Now let me put it back in the right way. Yeah, this thing took me like 10 minutes to make. Spikes keep bending out, so I need to fix that. This isn't the final version. This is just the testing version, but the spikes won't want to stay. Okay, now I got it in. Watch this. Whoosh. That was as fast as I could do it. And set the camera right here. And it probably goes so fast it'll probably blow over the camera. But let's see. Yeah, that thing's actually really strong. If you put the spikes in correctly. Like, look at this. Look at these clovers. They're just, they got blown so hard. This one's just stained, blown over. So, set you guys up one more time. Let's run it. I'll just crack this in half. Zoom into it.